Hey guys, this is my 12-month review of my mid-century modern sofa in a box that I built a year ago. Overall, I like to say that the cushions are great. They still are very springy because there are metal springs in there. The fabric and stuff has held up. So is the structure of the sofa has held up very well. Then again, I designed it very well too. And of course, the legs and stuff has held up as well. As you can see, this last couch end is where I normally sit. So overall, this one cushion is a little more smushed than the others. I haven't yet took this apart so I could wash the cushions because I have a couch cover I cover over this. And that's probably why it's kept up very, very clean and very, very well. Overall, the fabric has been good, and I don't have any cats or dogs or other animals inside the house, so they're outside. So basically, there's no cat fur or dog fur on this. They're just really nice. But I do keep a cover on it, and there's of course no scratches on it either. Very, very cool. Again, 12 months, and the springs still work very well, and it's very supportive. I like how it supports my lower back because these cushions are actually quite the seat cushions are shorter so that I can actually sit and upright, relatively upright. And overall, the fabric has been good. It looks gray blue, and it is gray blue. That's the original color. I think the couch cover does help a lot. Now the legs are wood, which is nice. It gives a good strength to it, as well as my robotic vacuum goes underneath perfectly fine without any problems. I like how I could vacuum underneath the couch without having to deal with it or move the couch too much. Overall, it's been great and totally worth it if you have a small space like myself or just want to divide up the room. Now here is my couch cover. It's elastic on the bottom. It's microfiber, super easy to take care of. And all you do is basically cover it when you're after about a week or a month or whatever. You could totally just wash it, or if you have guests over, you can wash it afterwards and just put on a normal washing cycle. And that's it. It keeps it super clean. And yeah, the couch cover, the couch that lasted a whole year is awesome. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.